Snow has been coming down since this morning in a lot of areas.
Yeah, and one of those areas in Lafleur County. 5 News reporter Lauren Spencer joining us now live in Poteau. Been having a lot of fun out there this afternoon and tonight.
This has been my ideal snow day. I made a snowman. I caught some snowflakes on my tongue. I took some pictures. Only thing I didn't do was sledding just yet. Maybe that's a tomorrow thing, but I hung out with some people who did. They said that they don't get this much snow in Poteau ever, so they had to go outside and take advantage of it. There's just nothing like a snow day.
So as soon as I woke up today, Brooklyn texted me and she's like, sledding? And I was like, yes.
Finding that perfect hill.
If you can make it up it, nice. But if you can't,
I think this is a solid 8 out of 10.
And sledding with anything you can find in your garage.
box lids, tub lids.
Yeah.
It's the last thing left.
Or maybe life has to go on as usual. Bobby Pierce didn't want to risk driving his car.
Stay off the roads because there's people out here being crazy.
And walked over an hour to pick up a prescription.
It's better to walk up there and get it for her than to be out here with all these crazy people driving.
It's not all fun and games for city, state, and county officials, however.
If people are stranded and we come across them, we'll help try and get them back on the road.
Oklahoma Highway Patrol ups their manpower and monitors major state highways and unincorporated county roads.
To try and make sure that people don't run off in a ditch and are not found.
They're, of course, encouraging you to stay home.
And the more people heed that warning, the less collisions we'll have.
And for this group, they're planning on staying off the roads, but maybe trying out some more slopes instead.
Most definitely sledding again tomorrow. It only happens about once a year or so.
Might as well take advantage of it.
Right.
Yeah. Both the Lafleur County Sheriff's Office and their emergency manager say that their first responders were flooded with calls today and things could get worse overnight. So maybe you could take those box lids out or those sleds instead of your car tomorrow. They would really appreciate that. Live in Poteau, covering news where you live, Lauren Spencer, 5 News.